So the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is definitely going to be the star of the year. We already know a lot about the flagship phone, and now it's time to discuss about the top 5 features this device is gonna come with. Well, this is no secret that the Mate 20 Pro will be having an in-display fingerprint scanner. The company has already implemented such technology on the Mate 10 Porsche edition, so this is not a big deal for them to do, and those who think that the Mate 20 Pro will be sporting both an in-display and a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, don't expect it to be, because Huawei has been working on this tech for a long time, so you'll not be facing any issues regarding the in-display tech. The device will also provide you an enhanced facial recognition system just like the iPhone 10 and XS models. This is the most highlighted feature of the Mate 20 Pro, as it is cool to have such a camera system on your smartphone. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro will come with triple camera lens technology arranged alongside the LED flash in a square module, which actually looks unique. The main sensor will have a resolution of 40 megapixel with f1.8 aperture just like the P20 Pro. The second one is 20 megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture, and the last one is a f2.4 aperture ultra wide angle lens with a resolution of 8 megapixel. This implementation will provide 5 times optical zoom enabling so that you can take ultra macro shots from a distance of only 2.5 cm. The picture taken will be optimized with the help of NPUs and light fusion technology, which is great to hear about. Let's admit this, Huawei just wants to enter in a new market and make profits. The Mate 20 Pro will run on the company's latest Kirin 980 processor, which is the most intelligent and powerful chip on an Android device till date, but up to a limited time because the Snapdragon 8150 chip is on its way. The last feature may not sound interesting to you, but it actually is. Huawei Mate 20 Pro will pack a 4200 mAh battery, which is big enough for a flagship model, and to charge this, we will have a fast charger, but for those who want to charge their device through a wireless docking station, the company will introduce an all-new powerful wireless charger, which should be the most effective wireless product till date. Interestingly, Mate 20 Pro will also work as a wireless charger for the Huawei FreeBuds 2. So with all this bunch of features, the Mate 20 Pro will be a beast, and tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.